I'm Tapwater, and I'm filming Milk Jug. This is our story.
Well, when I was 2 years old, my nostrils, well, they were just a bit too small. So, the doctor said that I need to stretch them. So I took a tampon and stuck it up my nose. Everyone says, I'm sorry, it's just such a sad story. It makes me tear up all the time. And well, I'm sorry, I'm just tearing up. And well, what?
How big were the tampons?
Extra large, made for heavy flows, daily and hourly. You know how most people, on tampons have to change their tampon every hour? Well, these ones were made for every 2 hours, and I just stuck them on up my nose, and sometimes they just tickle just a little bit. But my nostrils were way too small, just way too small. So I stuck those tampons up my nose, y'all hear? So